Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share a text file on OneDrive via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a text file we have uploaded to the OneDrive portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the alternative web browser. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Let's now navigate to the OneDrive portal. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Admin, go to My Files. We should then have a folder that's called 2024 that was created in the previous tutorials. If we were to, let's just say, click in this now, we should then have a text file, an image, a document, as well as a video. In this tutorial, we are primarily focusing on file 1.txt. Click on this. Let that open up. And now let's go to the top left corner where we see share. Click on this. We can now share this within our network for Computer Science Videos. So let's now add a name, group, or email. I'll just add in myself, my main account. Click on this, and then we can choose to allow the candidate to edit or view. So the candidate now can edit. Let's now click on send. So this should now have directly be sent to my inbox via Outlook. So we can now close that prompt. Let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Now let's navigate to Office 365. Let's now go to Outlook. Wait for that to load, and now we should have an email within our inbox where the admin has invited us to edit a file. If I was to, let's just say, click on open, this will then open up in SharePoint for myself to now edit the file itself. If I was to, let's just say, now go to a new line. Let's just say hello world again. Click on save. That itself has been saved. We can now quit Safari. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Let's now refresh the page. Go back to My Files, 2024, file 1.txt, and there we have the changes that were made prior to me editing from my main account. We can now quit Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.